Hello everyone, I'm Dionysius and we're here today with Orlando. Hello Orlando.
Hello Orlando.
Orlando, the other day you said something about drone operators being the new snipers.
Yes.
Could you please elaborate a little bit on that?
Everybody knows about snipers.
Yeah.
Right? And everybody thinks about snipers being in bushes with rifles, etc., taking precision shots at distance. The use of a sniper is to be able to take out a specific target at a specific distance with a rifle.
Okay.
Right? You can do the same thing with a drone these days, and it's a lot easier.
Okay.
Even if you look at what happened yesterday in Beirut, where the Israelis hit a top Hamas guy with a drone. I'd say in the future, why are you going to be going through the effort of, and again, as far as sniping is concerned, it's not just being able to shoot, it's also understanding the field craft, camouflage, concealment, etc. But shooting at distance with the rifle, it is a skill.
Okay.
You have to understand the windage, you have to understand the rifle, you have to understand the ballistics, etc. Okay, most drones will reach out to a kilometer, right?
Easily.
Okay, to get a rifle shot out to a kilometer, you have to be a good shooter. You have to understand the rifle, the conditions, etc. Okay, these days with the drone, you could take out a target at a kilometer. You could fly a drone into somebody at a kilometer.
Yes.
It's not that difficult.
Yes, even with commercially available drones, you can easily find models that you can go beyond a kilometer.
So again, this is where, as I said, drone operators being the new snipers, if you're looking at it from the terrorist criminal perspective, or even the military perspective, you see what's happening in Ukraine. If you're going after high value targets, why are you going to bother to go through all the effort having, training up or getting a trained sniper, the rifle, the this, the that, when you could just get a drone and modify a drone to be a weapon.
One use, one time you used once and that's it, yeah.
Yeah, one time use. As we said, you've got the drones that are for, again, if you're doing that type of job, what are you going to spend? A couple of $1,000s on a drone, if that's going to be able to do the job properly.
Yeah.
So I'd say, we'll talk about this in another video, from a close protection perspective, the threat from drones taking out individual targets is huge.
Okay.
And even as far as we talk about countermeasures, even if people are using countermeasures and jammers, if it's a one-time drone, what's the terminology you use? Send and forget.
Fire and forget.
Fire and forget drone, which is locked onto a specific target. There's no communication, it can't be jammed. If that's flying into a car, flying into a building, flying into, if the client parks his car at a specific place, at a specific time, it's easy to take out.
Yeah, and even if, the target is using countermeasures at his home, he might not be using countermeasures where he works, at his tennis club or wherever he goes.
Exactly. And the other thing is bringing it in, which I think is out there already, is if the drones are using facial recognition.
Well, eventually this will be more and more. There are already AI software, applied.
So you are talking, as I said, the sniper is not going to be able to, if you're in a busy urban area, a busy area, the client's in a restaurant, etc., might not be able to set up a rifle shot because you need direct line of sight.
Okay.
Because the bullets can't go around corners.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the drone can.
A drone can go up, can go down, can go around corners, can go anywhere. You see somebody, you've got a drone loitering. Okay, it locks onto that person's face when they come out of a building, does whatever. Okay, bang, you've hit the target.
Yeah. And this is not sci-fi anymore.
It's not sci-fi.
Since we already have cameras in streets that can have AI and face recognition. Many states already do.
They've had it in London for years.
Yeah, so it's not that difficult to modify something for a drone, even if it's not out there yet. Maybe it's there and we don't know it.
I'm sure it is.
Yeah, but it's not science fiction anymore.
No, it's there, and it's something to be thought of and dealt with. So that's what I mean by drone pilots, drone operators being the new snipers.
Okay.
And again, it's I know drone operators have the geeky reputation at the moment, but I think drone pilots and operators will be the new deadly weapon in militaries and terrorists' playbook.
Well, something, there's a meme going out there that you have drone operators in a Jumbo 747 and the steward lady is coming out and asking, do we have any pilots on plane? And the drone guy goes, yes, I am. No, do we have any pilots on plane? And the drone guy says, yes, I do. Now you will have them. Do we have any snipers on plane? Yes, I do.
It's a joke.
This is.
It's a drone operator joke. Okay. All right, I get it. I understand.
Yeah. Drone guys, don't consider yourself snipers yet.
Not yet. Maybe next year. Maybe in the next few months. All right. All right. Yeah, that's my
Analogy.
that's my analogy.
Okay. So one more thing for drone guys to do. Guys, thank you for your time. Be good, stay safe.
Be good, stay safe, stay out of trouble. And again, if you're in the close protection world, security world, etc., if you're dealing with high value assets, be aware of the drone threat because it's going to get bigger, bigger, and bigger.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.